Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jute plant basket is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly ways to showcase your indoor plants or add a touch of natural beauty to your home decor. In this video, we will explore the features, benefits, and considerations to help you choose the perfect jute plant basket for your needs, ensuring both style and functionality. Number 5. OrganiHaus 2-pack planters. These high-quality planter baskets come in two popular sizes, 10 and 12 inches. You get two in this set, offering great value and style for your home or office. They're ideal for a wide variety of plants, from flowers and herbs to succulents and small trees. It's the perfect way to add life and vibrancy to any space. These baskets are carefully handwoven by skilled craftspeople, carrying on a centuries-old tradition of creating beautiful and functional items. They add a touch of unique style to any room. Not just for plants. They're also great for organizing toys, pet supplies, or anything else you need to tidy up. They help declutter and make your life easier. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? This 2-pack of beautiful baskets is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Get yours today. What we like? It's a great value with 2 baskets in different sizes. If you need to organize various items and decorate your home with a natural touch, you should consider this. They are perfect for small and large spaces, adding style and functionality to your life. Number 4. CHICVITA Wicker Laundry Basket. It's perfect for blankets and cushions in the living room, or shoes and hats by the door. You can even use it to store toys or a yoga mat. Its attractive jute color makes it a beautiful addition to any room. Plus, the large handles make it easy to carry. Place it beside your sofa, in a closet, or even in a corner. It's versatile enough to fit any space. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for housewarmings, Mother's Day, or any occasion. Everyone will appreciate its usefulness. Made of soft jute and cotton rope, it's gentle on clothes, floors, and hands. It's safe for kids and pets. It arrives folded for shipping, but easily regains its shape when filled. You can also fold it flat for storage when not in use. What we like? It has large handles for easy carrying and is perfect for various storage needs. If you are looking for a versatile and soft storage solution that's also a stylish addition to your home, this is the one for you. It's a great gift for various occasions and suitable for families with kids and pets. What people say? It is heavy-duty and quite well made, yet still, it is very stylish. It is perfect for storage and the colors are neutral and go with any decor. The quality is excellent, and it's the perfect combination of stylish and functional. The handles are sturdy, and the size is just right for laundry, toys, or general storage. It's very strong, lightweight. Once you stick blankets in it, it takes its shape and doesn't fold or bend. Number 3. Dahey Jute Basket. It's a beautiful basket, perfect for adding a touch of rustic charm to your home. Its versatile design makes it ideal for plants or storage. This is made from natural, sustainable jute and cotton rope. It's durable yet foldable for easy storage. Use it as a planter cover, laundry bin, or to store blankets, toys. The possibilities are endless. It features a sturdy, flat bottom and easy-to-grip handles for convenient moving and placement. It's soft yet strong. Brighten up your space with this simple, organic addition. It's a great way to add a touch of natural beauty to any room. It arrives folded, but will regain its shape once filled. You can also use an iron to help it regain its form. What we like? This basket is designed to fit a 10-inch pot perfectly and is made from durable jute. If you're looking for a sturdy and stylish planter cover that can also serve as a storage bin, this is a great option. It's suitable for various scenes and adds a rustic touch to your home. What people say? Very happy with this basket that I am using for a planter. I was concerned that it might not take shape easily, but it was no problem. I only stuffed it with pillows for an hour or two. It looks good not being completely rigid, as it looks so natural with the philodendron I put in it. I bought this because I needed something for the bottom of this eucalyptus tree, but I ended up liking it so much, I bought 2 of them. They are very high quality, and while it takes a steamer, if you want to get them completely smooth, I kind of like the more natural look. Great basket for the price, and it completes the decor. I do have a large snake plant in mine. I like that it doesn't add weight to the plant itself. That way I can have it on a table. It looks pretty too. Number 2. Goodpick Wicker Basket. This beautiful and functional basket is perfect for any room in your house. Its soft jute material and unique round shape make it both stylish and practical. It's made of high-quality jute rope, making it incredibly soft to the touch and surprisingly durable. Plus, it's foldable for easy storage. Despite its compact size, it holds more than you'd expect thanks to its clever design. The inward closing shape keeps items neatly tucked away. Use it as a toy basket, plant pot cover, or general storage. It's equally at home in a bedroom, living room, or child's play area. For best results, machine wash it in a laundry bag. A little airing out after unpacking will remove any initial jute scent. Its neutral color complements any decor. It's the perfect addition to add a touch of warmth and organization to your space. What we like? Its unique spherical shape maximizes storage capacity while maintaining a soft touch. If you're looking for a stylish and functional storage solution for your home, this basket is a perfect choice. It's great for toys, towels, and plants, adding a touch of modern style to any room. What people say. Color, looks, value are great. I have it by the door with essentials: bug spray, bug lotion, sunscreen spray, sunscreen lotion, sunscreen for face, sunscreen lip gloss, and there's room for more items. Since toys are kept stored in our living for the kids to play, I try to find aesthetically pleasing ways to keep them out somewhat organized. We use this basket to store magnet tiles. The basket has handles is small enough for my 3YO to manage. It's beautiful, I use it for any season. It's small, that's how I wanted it. Number 1. Jute Planter Basket by ECO. It's hand-woven from 100% natural jute rope, offering a sustainable choice compared to plastic. These are expertly handcrafted by artisans in India. These beautiful covers instantly upgrade your indoor plants. They'll add rustic charm and hide those plain plastic pots. They're designed to perfectly fit 6-inch plant pots, whether indoors or on a balcony. They're lightweight and easy to move around. The waterproof plastic lining prevents leaks, making them safe for real or artificial plants. You can display them without worrying about spills. These versatile covers also work as stylish storage organizers. They make a thoughtful gift for friends and family who love plants or want to add a touch of modern style to their homes. What we like? This set includes 2 eco-friendly baskets with a waterproof lining. If you are looking for a sustainable and practical storage solution with a stylish touch, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for plants and small items, adding both functionality and beauty to your home. What people say. I bought 6 potted Christmas cactus plants that were blooming to give to neighbors as gifts. These plant covers fit perfectly, are fully plastic lined, and will be very durable for a long time. They work great. They match our decor. We put remotes, chapstick, readers, earbuds, etc. in there to keep it all organized. My husband puts his wallet in his every night. Perfect for what we need. I had Christmas planters and they fit perfectly in these. Love them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.